WhatsApp has always taken pride in the fact that it gives utmost importance to security and encryption and has told customers time and again that user information and chats will remain private. That's why users and experts are worried about the impending new privacy policy upgradation that WhatsApp is planning to bring in. Hi, this is Komal Kashyap and you're welcome to our channel Natli. Do watch this video till the end as today I'm going to share about the new WhatsApp policy. Should you move to other messaging platforms or not? Everything in detail. And yes, before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified when we launch more of such videos. WhatsApp is a cross-messaging and voice-over IP free platform that has more than 2 billion active users. After WhatsApp was bought by Facebook in 2014, it has turned into one of the most used cross-messaging apps globally. From January 4, 2021, WhatsApp users are shown updated privacy policy rules and are asked to accept the same. Users can opt to postpone agreeing to the same until February 8, 2021. But after that, they will have no choice. They will have to agree to the update or stop using the platform. Now, the question is, will WhatsApp be reading your chats and listening to your calls? Well, the answer is WhatsApp has always promised that your chats and your calls will stay private. Chats are encrypted and your messages are stored on your device and not on WhatsApp server. This promise will hold true even after the policy upgradation. Your chats and your calls will remain encrypted and safe. Now, the other question is, why are people worried about the policy change then? Well, the problem with WhatsApp privacy policy update is how it would be using other personal information available on the messaging platform and how your information will be used when you interact with business accounts on the platform. WhatsApp states that it is one of the Facebook companies and hence will be sharing your information from WhatsApp to other Facebook companies and other third-party services that WhatsApp works with. Here are some of the details that WhatsApp will be sharing with Facebook whether or not you agree to it from February 8, 2021. Number 1. Your phone number. Number 2. If you use WhatsApp payments, your transaction history and details. Number 3. Mobile IP address and other device related information. Number 4. Browser information and what mobile network you use. Number 5. Hardware details including battery level, signal strength and other kinds of device operation information. WhatsApp will also be sharing user information with Facebook like how you use WhatsApp and how long you use the app, your WhatsApp settings, how long and how often you interact with other users, your profile photo, status and location. These new privacy policy changes give users no control over their personal, financial and purchase information. This policy of WhatsApp will not be applicable in the European region thanks to its stringent data sharing policy. India's updated data protection bill could have helped WhatsApp from sharing your information, but the bill has not been passed yet, so Indian users face vulnerability. Indian cyber law experts call this move of WhatsApp a method to try making money out of people's private data without giving them a choice to refuse. Recently, the Confederation of All India Traders met the Minister of Information and Technology to demand the government to restrict WhatsApp from applying the new policy update in the country. Technology enthusiasts and business leaders from around the world are resorting to social media platforms to talk about this new policy update. Now, WhatsApp privacy policy and its use for business accounts. Business accounts are accounts created by businesses on WhatsApp to communicate with users and send them information about their products, services and customer orders. Another worrying change in the privacy policy of WhatsApp is about how much of your information is going to reach these business accounts. There are more than 50 million business accounts on WhatsApp. Once the new privacy policy is updated, business accounts will get more information about the users to target the right product, service, deal for the individual. Remember that Facebook is offering to act as a host for business accounts and will manage their communications with customers. Facebook will also have most of your user information through the new WhatsApp policy. This means that the Facebook companies will be using such information to offer better services to their business customers. So what's the alternative if you care about data privacy? Thankfully, WhatsApp is not the only cross-messaging and voice-over app in the market. If you care about your data privacy and WhatsApp is not ready to make changes to its privacy policy, you can think of switching over smaller but equally good messaging apps like Signal and Telegram. Now let's have a comparative analysis between WhatsApp, Signal and Telegram. WhatsApp. WhatsApp is the world's most popular messaging app. Businesses use the app to get in touch with customers and users send texts, voice messages, images, documents and videos over this platform. Top features of WhatsApp: ability to post status, can form groups, maximum group size 256, group video calls maximum of 8 members, can share photos, videos and documents, maximum size 16 MB. Messages are backed up through third-party cloud services and no ads. Signal. Signal is a cross-platform non-profit messaging app that was founded in the year 2014. It was available for iOS, Android and desktop. Signal offers end-to-end encryption for all text and voice messages. Top features of Signal. Self-destructing messages. That means messages can be created to last in the sender and receiver's screen only for a specific period. Note to self feature to jot down things like in a notepad. Screen security. It prevents other apps from taking screenshots of your Signal screen. No ads, simple user interface. Telegram. Telegram is a non-profit freeware software that also helps with cross-platform messaging and with voice-over IP. This software was developed in 2013 and already has 400 million monthly users. Top features of Telegram: ability to form large groups up to 2 lakh members. Unique features like creation of polls, quizzes and votes. File setting size limit of 1.5 GB. Does not share any information with third-party apps and companies or governments. Telegram claims that it delivers messages the fastest. Ability to send self-destructing messages. Now what does the future hold for WhatsApp? In India, the choice of whether or not you let the Facebook group of companies use your information depends on individual users. It is going to take a little more time for the government to pass the data privacy bill. One group of people argue that giants like Google already have most of the personal information of a user, and this new privacy policy of WhatsApp is not going to affect them much. Such individuals are going to keep using WhatsApp after agreeing to the privacy policy. Another larger group of people have already started exploring other safer and private forms of messaging services, including Signal and Telegram. These apps are being downloaded in large numbers as you read. As people start asking questions about WhatsApp and Facebook's invasion of privacy, more such freeware cross-platform messaging apps are going to be created with stringent and ironclad privacy policies. The latest update. What does WhatsApp have to say? WhatsApp looked like it was caught unaware by all the backlashing it has received in the last couple of days. About 25 million new users have signed up for Telegram in just 3 days. People are sharing all kinds of information about WhatsApp and its privacy policy on social platforms. The brand was quick to respond though. WhatsApp recently created an FAQ section on its website with an explanation of what its privacy policy meant. Here are a few points from the list. Number 1. WhatsApp cannot see your messages or hear your calls. Number 2. It will not use your shared location or send it to Facebook. Number 3. WhatsApp groups will be private. And number 4, it will not share your contacts with Facebook. WhatsApp has now announced that it will delay implementing the updated privacy policy by a couple of months from February 8th to May 15th. The government has for its part sent a questionnaire to WhatsApp that includes questions like what permissions will the app need to function and what categories of data will the company collect and share. The government has also asked WhatsApp to withdraw its privacy policy update in India, keeping in mind the data privacy and security aspects of the country. The internet is already a difficult place to venture into if you want to hold your privacy close to you. With such policy changes, it is going to be even more difficult to keep your activities and interests to yourself. No one can say Signal or Telegram is 100% effective. You as a consumer will have to look through their policies and terms and decide if they are safe for you to create your accounts with. If you are planning to quit WhatsApp, it is not enough if you delete the app from your phone. You will have to delete your account from the app setting. Even then, experts say that your past information and text, images, docs and videos shared are going to remain in the WhatsApp system. We will have to wait and see how WhatsApp and Facebook respond to the extreme reactions and displeasure shown at this privacy policy update. What do you feel about this new policy upgradation by WhatsApp? Will you continue using the app or switch over to other more secure messaging platforms? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, do share it. Click on the like icon and tell people about it. Also, let us know what topics you would like us to cover in our upcoming videos. And there are blog links in the description below that you can go through for more detailed information. See you soon on our next video.